Welcome to the Panattoni warehouse, where you can find some of the most amazing technological and environmentally friendly solutions. Sustainable construction is the ace up Panattoni's sleeve. The standard we've opted to obtain for our projects is BREEAM certification at the excellent level. This guarantees that they're of the highest standard in terms of being friendly to the environment, to employees, and to the local community. If you want to have some idea of how green certification can help you achieve your sustainability goals, then you only need to take a look at our warehouses. Green certification confirms that a building is highly energy efficient. On top of that, all our new buildings are sourced exclusively with clean energy from renewable sources. Photovoltaic panels are used to generate this kind of energy. Solar panels are used to heat the water in an economic and sustainable manner. We also install environmentally friendly heat pumps and intelligent LED lighting systems with motion sensors, all of which are operated under the watchful eye of an intelligent building management system, BMS. Skylights in the roofs and the glass facades of the office sections are fitted to help save energy and increase the access to daylight. The air tightness of our buildings is ensured by such features as docks with ceiling sluices, aprons and air curtains. Destratifiers are also used to redirect heat from the upper to the lower areas of the buildings. The heat is thus recovered thanks to the technology we use and is then recuperated in the air handling units. We take into account the entire life cycle of the building. One significant aspect of the design of our buildings is the focus on reducing the degradation of the construction materials used due to environmental factors and the passage of time. We prefer to use materials with environmental certificates or certificates of origin in order to achieve a recycling level of 90%. To ensure the space continues to be used into the future in the most efficient way possible, the standard height of our buildings has been raised to 12 meters. This allows multi-level structures to be fitted inside them, such as pick towers or mezzanines. This has also been made possible by increasing the bearing capacity of the floors to more than 5 tons. Our buildings have been installed with automatic systems for detecting significant water leakage, as well as smaller leaks in the sanitary blocks, such as in the WCs or showers when they're not in use. A range of other water-saving devices are used in our facilities, including grey water systems. We also make significant use of rainwater, such as in the sanitary facilities, as well as for the irrigation of the green areas. Our use of retention tanks improves the condition of the groundwater in the local environment. The value of vegetation cannot be exaggerated, and such greenery can be found in abundance around our facilities. In consultation with qualified ecologists, we create green zones featuring flora suitable for the local conditions. These include lower meadows with a variety of species that do not require intensive watering. We also install beehives and invertebrate houses in these areas. While outdoor greenery helps to reduce the ambient temperature in the summer, it also plays a key role in the health and well-being of the users of the building. We provide office space with increased access to daylight and with the best acoustics. We also prepare a thermal comfort analysis and an air quality plan for each new project. Our facilities are designed to be used by everyone. Therefore, we ensure that they're amenable to the needs of the disabled. Cash and food vending machines can also be found, as well as gyms, on the premises of our projects, along with relaxation zones and sports fields. We also encourage the use of sustainable transport to and from our projects. This includes facilities for cyclists, as well as the installation of electric car charging stations and promoting car sharing. We also ensure convenient access to public transport. A remote car registration reading system is installed throughout the entrance zones. Thanks to the technological systems we use, our buildings are both friendly to the environment and to their users, as is confirmed by the fact that they are BREEAM Excellent certified. Panattoni, your excellent choice.